on an aggravated battery.
Good mornings, this is Brianna, and we're here in Milwaukee, Wisconsin on an on-site job. We have 4 brand new Super Duty F350s, sequential VIN numbers, brand new, and they all have a back rack, a Weather Guard Toolbox, complemented with the Weather Guard pack rat system, and a fuel pump and reel. And we've done a 4 amber light package on these trucks. Shout out to Malcolm Drilling for bringing us out here for this job. And as you can see, all 4 trucks also have the hidden grill lights flashing. And there's George.